Love hiking but dread the humidity? You're not alone. Humid trails can be tough, making every step feel like a struggle. But don't let the heat stop you. We've got 10 clever tricks to keep you cool and comfortable on your next humid adventure. First up, wear less. Heavy, baggy clothes trap heat, making you feel even hotter and more uncomfortable. Opt for shorts and a lightweight, breathable tee. This maximizes your skin's surface area for evaporative cooling, especially under tree cover. Next, tackle that sweaty back. A backpack sticking to you blocks airflow, leading to a very uncomfortable, damp back. Consider an aftermarket back panel or a pack with a suspended mesh. These create crucial airflow, keeping your back cooler. Third, ditch the waterproof shoes. While great for rain, they trap heat and moisture, making your feet miserable in humidity. Switch to meshy, low-top trail runners. They allow your feet to breathe and vent moisture, regulating your body temperature effectively. Tip number 4, add a little salt to your water. Sweating profusely depletes electrolytes, leading to fatigue and heat exhaustion. A tiny bit of salt helps your body retain water and maintain crucial electrolyte balance, keeping you energized. Fifth trick, fill your reservoir with ice. This offers a double benefit for staying cool on the trail. You get cool drinking water, and the cold pack against your back helps regulate your core body temperature. Number 6, use a cooling vest or scarf. These ultra runner hacks are fantastic for pre-cooling or on-the-go relief. They target key pulse points, helping to lower your overall body temperature efficiently. 7th, time your hikes appropriately. Don't just check the temperature. The dew point is your real indicator of humidity. Lower dew points mean drier, more comfortable air, even if the temperature is high. Plan your hike for these windows. Tip number 8, get high and stay high. Higher elevations often offer a welcome escape from lowland humidity. The air tends to be cooler and drier, providing a much more pleasant hiking experience. 9th, sit in a stream. When you're overheating, fast-flowing water is your best friend for rapid cooling. The moving water efficiently draws heat away from your body, providing instant relief and preventing overheating. Finally, tip number 10, soak a bandana. This simple trick offers quick, portable relief from the heat. Wrap it around your neck or forehead to shunt heat away from your head, keeping you cooler and more focused. With these 10 tricks, you can conquer humid trails and enjoy your outdoor adventures without discomfort. Stay cool, stay comfortable, and make every humid hike a great one. Happy trails!